I am Dr. Kantaraju, ENT specialist, working in Abir Medical Center, Abu Amar branch, Doha. Today I am going to give some common tips to keep the ear healthy. Avoid the loud music. Do not hear the music through earphones or in a closed room. In industries with high intensity noise, safety precautions for the employees should be taken. Be away from the loud explosion, firecracker sound, etc. Use the standard earplug to avoid damage to the ear. Second point about ear cleaning. Clean ear from inside, external ear and behind the ear with soap and water. Do not clean the ear with cotton swab stick, keys, matchstick, hairpin, etc. Before swimming, use the earplug, bathing cap to cover the ears. If water enters the ear, remove by shaking head and dry with clean cotton cloth. Use the separate cloth for the other ear. Do not swim in dirty water. Third point, prevention of trauma to the ears. For example, if insects enters the ear, avoid slapping on the ear, which may cause rupture of the drum and deafness. Throw a torchlight. The live insects may be attracted by the light and come out. If the insect still in the ear, consult the ENT specialist. Don't try to remove with the forceps or any other instruments. During flight journey, adults blow air with nose and mouth closed during takeoff, descent and after landing. If you are having common cold, use Otrivin nasal spray and take decongestant tablets half an hour before flight. Ear care for babies. When feeding, the child head should be propped up. Do not let the child sleep with a bottle. Avoid the pacifier. During flight, give feed during takeoff, descent and immediately after landing. How to detect the possibility of ear infection in child? If the child has a common cold, pulls the ear and excessive crying, it is acute otitis media unless proved otherwise. Consult the doctor.